Today, I'm going to dive into the qualities of leadership from Prophet Muhammad and see if I can apply them to my own boss. Can I make a case for why they'd be a better leader if they followed his example? Let's find out. Leadership is a vital aspect of any organization, and effective leaders can make all the difference in the success or failure of a company. When we think of great leaders, we often think of historical figures like Prophet Muhammad, who not only led a community but also inspired a religion that has lasted for centuries. So, what makes a great leader? What are the essential qualities that Prophet Muhammad exemplified, and how can we apply them in the modern workplace? In today's workplaces, there are many common issues that arise due to poor leadership. For instance, many leaders lack empathy and fail to understand their team members' needs. This can lead to low morale and high turnover rates. Another issue is poor communication, which can result in confusion, mistrust, and conflict. Furthermore, authoritarian leadership styles can stifle innovation and creativity, leading to stagnation. These issues can have serious consequences, such as decreased productivity, poor customer satisfaction, and ultimately, financial losses. Leaders who lack empathy often make decisions without considering the impact on their team members. They might prioritize their own interests over the well-being of their employees, leading to resentment and demotivation. Moreover, poor communication can lead to misunderstandings and misinterpretations, causing friction within the team. This can be devastating for morale and can even lead to team members leaving the organization altogether. Additionally, authoritarian leaders often suppress dissenting voices, which can hinder innovation and creativity, ultimately affecting the organization's growth. To make matters worse, many leaders are not approachable, making it difficult for team members to share their concerns or ideas. This can lead to a lack of accountability, as leaders might not be aware of the problems that need to be addressed. Furthermore, when leaders are too focused on their own authority, they might become disconnected from their team members, leading to poor decision-making. By addressing these issues, leaders can create a more positive and productive work environment. What if, instead, leaders embodied the qualities of Prophet Muhammad, such as integrity, compassion, and vision? What if they prioritized empathy, communication, and collaboration? Imagine the impact it would have on their teams and the organization as a whole. By following Prophet Muhammad's example, leaders can create a work environment that is inclusive, supportive, and empowering. One of Prophet Muhammad's most remarkable qualities was his integrity. He was known for his honesty and transparency, which earned him the respect and trust of his community. This is a vital quality for any leader, as it builds trust and credibility with their team members. Imagine if our bosses were transparent about their decision-making processes and honest about their expectations. It would create a sense of security and trust, allowing team members to feel more confident in their work. Prophet Muhammad was also known for his compassion and empathy. He understood the struggles and challenges of his community and worked tirelessly to address their needs. This is a critical quality for leaders in the modern workplace, as it allows them to understand their team members' needs and make informed decisions. Imagine if our bosses took the time to listen to our concerns and ideas, providing guidance and support when needed. It would create a more positive and productive work environment, where team members feel valued and respected. Furthermore, Prophet Muhammad had a clear vision for his community, which inspired and motivated them to work towards a common goal. This is an essential quality for leaders, as it gives their team members a sense of purpose and direction. Imagine if our bosses had a clear vision for our organization, one that aligned with our values and goals. It would give us a sense of direction and motivation, allowing us to work together towards a common objective. Prophet Muhammad's leadership qualities are not just limited to theory, they have been demonstrated in action throughout his life. One powerful example is when he migrated from Mecca to Medina, where he was faced with the challenge of integrating two different communities. He worked tirelessly to build bridges between the two groups, listening to their concerns and addressing their needs. Through his compassion, empathy, and vision, he was able to create a united community that worked together towards a common goal. This example illustrates the power of effective leadership in action. By applying Prophet Muhammad's leadership qualities, leaders can overcome even the most daunting challenges. Imagine if our bosses had the same level of empathy, compassion, and vision. They would be able to bring their teams together, addressing their needs and concerns, and working towards a common goal. In conclusion, if our bosses embodied the leadership qualities of Prophet Muhammad, such as integrity, compassion, and vision, they would be more effective leaders. They would create a work environment that is inclusive, supportive, and empowering, where team members feel valued and respected. Thanks for watching. What do you think are the most essential qualities of a great leader? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about personal development, be sure to check out our next video.